Bitcoin, I guess. But once that's not going to be true, and we're not too far from that not being true, another 10-15% pump, then maybe the risk to reward won't be as good as it is.
True.
I think
Making
it can
profits.
pump another 10% on the pair easily. I mean, it can do much more than that, but just
Yeah.
technically, another 10% on the pair isn't asking. No, even next bear market, if BTC will have to try and hold some of it in 1 year, in 2 year. Yeah, this is multi-year stuff. You had to wait 6 years to get ETH this cheap. That's more than a crypto cycle. You know, last time ETH became so cheap, we were in 2019.
Because Bitcoin's moving up.
No, I know. I see it. I mean,
Yeah. So not yet. Not yet.
I feel like it's gonna go back down to 25. To be honest with you.
I don't mind. That's a good. I would like to buy more ETH there.
No, yeah, me too. I just would like to short it there too.
Yeah. For now, we have to let BTC decide where everything's going.
Yeah, and BTC goes where Nasdaq goes, so
I thought we decoupled from the Nasdaq already. We decoupled from it the other week, right?
it's just that the news hit during the weekend, so Bitcoin pumped earlier. Then Nasdaq is closed during the weekend, so we did decouple no, we gained strength. I wouldn't call it decoupling.
Okay.
Look at the dates. I mean, I'll just check it. Monday 7th. Bitcoin bottoms on the 7th of April, exactly at the same day, same time. I mean, maybe we decoupled, but not really, right?
Not really.
Yeah. That 7th of April was the news from tariffs against China,
Yeah.
Europe, and all,
Yeah.
right? So
Everything dumped, and then
20 January, and for Nasdaq, it's a bit later. Yeah. We topped earlier, a month earlier, which made us think that we decoupled because we had already dropped when the stock market started to drop. Defining support earlier, which enabled it to not drop as much and give us some crazy red days on the stock market while Bitcoin was just still flat or even going up. But yeah, ETH should stop out these shorts first, and then maybe we can start a downtrend. Yeah, I don't know, but at this point it's so close. We'll see if bears can protect what they achieved. They created resistance here, right? Because we top a first time, we come down, we fail on the second attempt to go much higher. We leave a wick, and now it's the third attempt. Like normally the level is weaker. People have had a lot of time to take profit. You know, it's supposed to be a weaker level, but failure to
on
break out
exchanges,
here.
Athena on the new day is the highest gainer right now. Let's go.
Failure to break out here on the small time frames would define a triple top, right? So that's a pretty strong probability to the downside if it fails. But we'll only know in like an hour or two, no? Depends what time frame you look at it, but
Yeah, true.
well, at least the
Trumpet.
15 or
Yep. So many trades. My God. I'm getting hungry. Where's Dbloc?
Making money.
Because he
Well,
did say he wanted to be
probably
part of
enjoying
the...
his day.
He's on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Oh, he's on
Oh.
YouTube. Okay.
I do this quite often.